to say enough respect to all of the supporters, them who support the thing right through. All of the original supporters, them the upcoming supporters, them. Enough respect every time. Yeah. Like the video, share the video. Leave your comment in the comment section. You know, reason with me, tell me what you think about the job them. Yes, my people. So you know, we have this nice place I want to show an idea. Yeah. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Upstairs is a board floor, you know. So this is the main area, the tiling downstairs. It's alright my people, it's alright. I know we have this unit here we want to start. So yeah, we make a square line already. So this is our square line. So these are the tile where I use some 24 by 48. As you can see them. So these are the tile where I use in as well. So these are the unit. So we're about to kick off that one right now. See this for people. Come see them. Cheese there as a same way. Yeah. different thing. The additional, this, the additional, no, also
Yeah, man.
Where is it?
Let me get that. No, don't worry. No, I'm feeling. Get your butt full.
I'm going to buy a price for you.
What?
What are you doing? How are you rap, Unsi?
Rap, I made you go by this time. Never stop.
So, alright, my people, so this is our reach now. Yeah. You know, say some 24 by 40 get porcelain. Yeah, so as I can see, take time of traveling in the evening, yeah. The monster tile there, you know, big and heavy. Yeah, so you know, so we have to lift them piece of each time being because the length of the tile and the space now go work together. So you know, like when it dry now, it easier to put in all of them pieces there, up the line. Yeah. So that's how we are trying to get in all of the whole of one them we can drop in. Yeah. Once we drop in all of the whole of one them we can drop in, we know so we depend on truck. Hey, Punsi, in Ghana already, you remember when you out of town and work on the brick there?
Yes. You got that one there. Yes.
Yo, and the people who want to see John enough at that time. John Anna is stressed enough. Yo, me say man Anna is stressed. Keys now what they with me. You know what I told you, man. When John Anna is stressed and I'm making call.
I want one on me for the behind. No, talk to me, man. Talk to me, boy. Hey, that makes some nice of the boy.
One of them videos they get about 10 grand, no, 10K, no. Views. It's alright, my people. It's alright. I know there's some growth in. Yeah, so as you can see, we start growth. So yes, my people, as I say, some growth in that one. So get this place a growth up. Yeah, so them tile are some 24 by 48. Nice porcelain tile. Yeah, so once it's growth up, what I happen to it now is that them are going to cover it up. So once them cover it up, then can do what them do for whole heap of sanding to go on at this place, as you can see. The place just smooth out, you know. It's not sun as yet, it's not prime as yet, so whole heap of things left to go and see them way. So as I say, I get some growth in done. Yeah. So growth it up, get it cover up and thing, you know. So this is some nice porcelain tile. 24 by 48. Yeah, big and heavy. And them tile are thick too, you know, my people. You know, when you lift up one of them, heavy. Yeah, man, so as I say, we are getting growth up. Yeah, man. Yeah, so it clean up and everything, start growth. So you don't know it go. Yeah, as I say, we are getting growth up and thing. people, so yes, I already know. So this don't grow up and everything. So as you can see. Yes, as I said, them have some 24 by 48 porcelain tile. Yeah, nice tile. Really good and everything. Yes, my people. So this is how it look like. As I say, grow it up, you know. So the only thing for do now is to paper it out. And you know, so once the paper it, then I'm going to do some sanding, painting, all type of things that go on. Mud work still left in the same way. So this is another staircase. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. So the bathroom have to grow up too. So, as I say, yeah, place look nice. Yeah, everything grow up. Nice floor. As you can see, them lay them straight way. You know. That's how they want them. Generally, we don't turn them like crossway. You know. Look better. But at the end of the day, with the people, I have to give them same way, so you don't know how it go. Yeah, so this is it, as I say. Grow up and everything. Yeah, so I want to come back in now when cabinet start go up and thing, you know. But that's enough now. As I say, what if I work still left in here? So you don't know I go. A lot of work I have to do the same way before anything else can go. Place have his sun, touch back out, paint. Yeah, so a lot of work still left in it, you know. But the main thing is that our part kind of done with the now, so you know. Yeah, with the pawn shop right now. So as you can see, the floor look good and thing nice. So yes, my people, so the apartment done growth up, everything, furniture start dropping. Yeah, so this is how it look like, you know, with all the furniture them kind of heal. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. You know, the bedroom them upstairs. Yeah, so them tile are like 24 by 48. Yeah. So this is how the staircase look like. Yeah, so this is the bedroom them upstairs. So my life will come back after the place them clean up, you know, cabinet going and everything like that. You get a better idea what the place look like. Yeah, so floor nice and sweet. Yeah, so as I said, them tile are some 24 by 48. Nice like a highland. Yes, like a minor work still. I go in inside there still. You know, not much. But just some like a minor thing. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the downstairs bathroom. Kinda small. Shower. So as I say, floor nice. Yeah. That's the fridge. Yeah, nice backsplash. So as I say, some like a minor thing still are going, but not much, you know. Yeah, it's a nice apartment. I would say it's a 2-bedroom apartment upstairs. Yeah, so this is how your floor look like. Alright my people, so you don't know it go. Remember to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. You know, check the description. Nobody there. You know, for all of your tiling needs, you want any brickwork, tiling work, you know, vinyl, just link me up. Yeah, Tony Slowley. Yeah. Alright my people, so I want to say enough respect to all of the supporters them. Yeah, big up on yourself every time. People might support the thing right through. Yeah man, enough respect. You know. Just share up the video, like the video. Leave your comments, you know. Always can reason it out. Whatever you like from where you don't like. You know, say not everybody ever like everything with them see. You know, people have different tastes, so tell me what you think in the comment section. Yeah man. Alright, as I say, any tiling work you want done, you know where to find me. Yeah, just check the description. Yeah, you will see my number there. You know, you can get me up on WhatsApp. So alright my people, so you know where it go. As I said, enough respect to all of the supporters them. Yeah. Alright, big up yourself every time. Alright my people.